Hello everybody, how are you all? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about bottle covers. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and beautiful video. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of beautiful video. A crochet bottle cover can offer various benefits, both functional and decorative. Here are some benefits of using a crochet bottle cover we would like to discuss with you. The first and the main one is protection. Keeps the bottle safe from scratches, dents or cracks. Insulations helps maintain the temperature of the drink, keeps cold drink cool and hot drinks warm. Customization. You can make a personalized cover with unique color, pattern and designs. Eco-friendly. Reduces reliance on plastic or disposable bottle sleeves. Durability. Crochet is often made with strong yarn, meaning the bottle cover will last a long time. Non-slip grip. The texture crochet design gives a better grip, preventing slips. Comfortable handling softness the surface, making it easier and more comfortable to hold. Aesthetic appeal. Adds a handmade touch, making the bottle more attractive. Easy to clean. Most crochet cover can be hand washed or machine washed, making them easy to maintain. Lightweight. Does not add significant weight to the bottle. Versatile. Can be used on a variety of bottle sizes and type. Reusability. Unlike single-use wraps or bags, a crochet bottle cover can be used again and again. Breathability. Unlike plastic, crochet allows air circulation, preventing concentrations buildup. Personal crafting. If you love crocheting, it's a great project to showcase your skills. Great for gifting. Crochet bottle cover makes a thoughtful and unique gift. Seasonal design. You can crochet cover based on the season, that is floral or spring, cozy for winter. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. With the happy ending, today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.